Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Chingsu 12 voltage DC LED deck light. Oh yeah. It is for outdoor and indoor use. Oh, I own one of this set in the past, and this was a set with different colors, RGB. And this time I bought this set because of the Warmwhite setup. It is awesome to make in your kitchen, like here, one of this indirect lighting. I like it really much to make this light inside the kitchen. For example, on the upper side or on the bottom side of the kitchen, it is so awesome and so beautiful to make it indirect lighting setup with this. And it comes with low voltage. This means it is not so dangerous. It is not dangerous at all. You can build it in floor, in walls, in roofs, etc. Everywhere you can build in this. The rated output is 0.4 volt and sorry about this. Warmwhite option, IP67 waterproof, and the quantity is 6 pieces of them in this box here. That means you have Warmwhite recessed deck lighting and ground light for stairs, steps, garden, patio, yard, wood floor, outdoor landscapes. Everywhere you can build this in. If you have a flat surface under it, and you can drill a hole into it. This is important. You have to drill a hole and then push the LED spots in it. And here you can see how to connect them. You need the driver, then you need in one line the LED flashlight things. Hardwood flooring, laminate, carpet, ceramic tiles, natural stone, every floor options. It's easy to install. I will show you later in this video how to install it in for example in a kitchen, okay? But you can also use this sample to install it where you like, on floors, on landscape, etc. It is easy installation. Drill holes, push the lights in and connect the cables. At the cables you have to look because of the arrows. You have one female and one male plug system. Then you push it with the arrows will point each other. Then push it in position, rotate the nut in position, waterproof, job's done. And then make a line of these LED spots in your flat surface and job's done. Then connect it to your power supply. Yeah, and then you have an awesome light. Drill holes, push the lights in position. It can be installed for outdoor or indoor decoration, like decks, steps, stairs, kitchen as well. Here you can see kitchen, for example, stairways, bathrooms, shower, cabinet, living rooms, fountain, pool, backyards, everywhere, fences, pergola, walkways, etc., etc. The set comes, in this case, with 6 of the LED lights. You can choose more of them. You can choose up to, I think, 20 or more. Then you can make an awesome light decoration with this set up. The Warmwhite LED lumen for each LED is what was it? 50 lumen. The color temperature is about 2800 Kelvin to 32,000 Kelvin, I think. The DC is 12 voltage output. That means it is low power. It is not so expensive because of the electronic system. You have the power supply transformer included. It supports, I think it was 20 pieces or more. And you have to drill a hole with this was 32 millimeters, I think, and then push it in position, job's done. Then you have each cable was, I think, was 1 meter. That means you have between two of the LED spots 2 meters of range. Think about this because of the measuring, and then you can install it easily. Really easy. IP67 waterproof. It's safe for indoor and outdoor use. Ultra long lifespan, over 50,000 hours. It's made of high quality products like stainless steel, and it is a grade A LED. Really, a triple A. It is low voltage. It is low power. That means you have a nice color with it and no much electronic delivery, because of the electronic delivery costs a lot. If you have 240 voltage, this is more than 12. Really, it is easy to install and it looks beautiful. You can see that if we finish this video, I will show you how it looks. At the end of the rope, you have to connect this plug a little bit, and then job's done. So let's install it now. I wish you all the best. I think it is a beautiful thing to see this in this kitchen. I love it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.